This way we dey energize the players. When you then feel you remember the people the way you left behind and how then they celebrate for you now you mind. It gets a psychological impact by your performance. Why make the kids say always them big club they like for play home or they like for playing at their own stadium? Because the cheering of the supporters, they ginger up the players. So we want for go na Cameroon, even though we are far away from home, but we want for go with the energy where they cheer up the Leon Stars to victory. We want for see Leon Stars na the final. And we seriously mean this thing. And we believe say the Leon Stars will get now. Now Leon Stars way not easy for push na corner. Because we follow up on the progress of the players, we follow up on the progress of the club, of the team too.
All right. In case you just joined, this is the Epic Morning Show. They come to you live here on Epic Radio 99.3 FM. And the CEO which we get the branding and sponsorship manager from Orange Sierra Leone and announcing some amazing offers for fans them where eventually this go make them able to travel to Cameroon. And some of them go win money as well. So we get more for talk about when we come. So stay with us. Let's start with the question about the kids them and then we'll come to the songs.
Yes, okay. I think the questions are legitimate, as always. And the same questions where the viewers and the listeners and they ask now the Facebook page. Now the same questions we ask. Where you want for travel with kids as young as 10, as young as 11, as young as 9 and 13 to a country. And you go for ask yourself, what about their parents? So these are questions where we don't put together because there is a big sponsorship team handling this tournament, and not only limited to win Sierra Leone, because whatever they happen in Sierra Leone, I want guarantee you say they happen now all the other Orange affiliates. Affiliates mean the other country the way Orange they operate, where they go Cameroon 2022 January. Now, to answer these questions, we look at multiple ways for guarantee the safety. One, the border way they go, the one option are that for go with one or two parents where they trust, because now a community driven something. The people that are in community supposed to know themselves, and if they know themselves, and the picking way they go, one or two of them parents for accompany them, plus one person from Orange where go take them. Before they go, now don't forget say their hotel go down, they go on any hassle for say they go no. Hotel don't sorted, the food don't sorted, then transportation and all outside them for go don't sorted before then they move. So security and then safety Obayanda we go guarantee 100%. Then there will no question about that.
Okay.
Number 2. Thank you very much, guys, for always expressing love for the leading and the most innovative brand in this market, the most innovative telecom in this market. The second question about the song. Unfortunately, we so passionate and we so energized about this. We no want for limit anybody. No way. We no want for say because the Steady Bongo it begin sing 1991. If you do a chair song when a song way people that like would say no na underground artist. This not about talent development. This now is about celebrating Sierra Leoneans, and we no want for put no cap. If LAJ or Cow or Ami Kalon then able to collaborate, then do the best chair song, they win the prize. Una when a underground artist, una self need for pull una talent. Grab na you big.
So this is a fair platform for everyone.
Grab na you chair na you seti. Put the food in a corner and go out there and search for people where you believe say go contribute some part of them voice. Engineers, anybody where you know say na sound engineer where gets the know how for give a hit Sierra Leonean song. Let we pull them up. The money there for you, and we want for cheer Leon Star. Leon Star, not to one person get them. Na Sierra Leone, na 7 point something million people own the green, white, and blue. So we know the kappa, we know the limits. Nobody, everybody. This is a period of celebration. This is a period for make we show say we are indeed a nation. wey dey na the Lion Mountain. We for celebrate am.
All right. So for Abraham Tanko, I think that's the answer to your question. Whether not big artist, whether not small artist, I think all of you can do the entry. So I heard that that's not the only thing, because you also get a category for best supporters group. So tell me how Danny they work and what's on offer as well for that.
All right. Now for the supporters, this one come under the broader customer. The broader customer and the best supporters group, they under a category where we want for see. We really want for see some of our loyal customers self go watch. At least we dey look at a number where very sizable. You know, we don't already get a whole team of juniors where they below 13 years, where they go, where they in a tournament, then go for play without winning go. We get a cheer song where the person get for use the money. If you use the money, you want go Cameroon with your song, and it's nice.
But the chair song category now 50 million.
50 million.
Okay, the traveling is not part of the package for the chair song.
No, the traveling is not part of the chair song. The chair song is a different package altogether. Now, what we dey look at, we want to see how we day-to-day customer they say go be involved. You know, this is a 360 strategy. We know the copycats. We know that for sure. We innovate and we lead in innovation. These customers, all supporters, so to speak, because in Sierra Leone, even the Mami way in a village, that day where Leon Star win, where Leon Star beats Benin, even the least person in that village, they call for say, hey, so after 20 years plus, Salon de Gonish. So this still close to the people. We want to we bring the customer themselves, make them experience them. Some number of the customers get for days self na Cameroon, then self na a fully paid price. So somebody do the chair song, he get something. The bobo then play the tournament so that win go. Then supporters them, customers, then self get the opportunity for go inside plane and go watch Leon Star playing in Cameroon. So these are a 3 package under the Orange sponsorship period. Wait now this period of football where they can't win.
So with supporters group, how really then go organize themselves and show a demo of how they can support? What would be the things you go look for? Unlike music, you know, say they look for the best music. With supporters go, how waiting go work?
You know, this category of supporters group still there in the pipeline, still there in the works.
Okay.
Now we fine tune them and get them released to the people in a way where people then go able demonstrate them easily. But the one way very clear beside the supporters, the young participation, now that Orange customers we loyal to Orange, we don't tell with Orange, or somebody we just don't come, or somebody we want come, because you get time now for say, well, I can't go buy Orange SIM. This them package I not go miss her. You come as long as you na Orange customers and you residents na ya, we dey give opportunity to a certain number where I not go release the full detail now, because we just released yesterday. And we come for set the people in mind for make them understand waiting they come. We get for come and do a formal unveiling of the package. So now let's find out where they whilst we work on the detail.
Yeah, but in the meantime, if you have a talent for music or football, get ready. And
Yes.
if you have a talent for support your team, I think that's another thing we will prepare for. So generally, is this a general support way when I get for continue for give football?
Well, you let bring you home. You know, say Orange Sierra Leone and Orange Global or Orange Middle East and Africa, they sponsored AFCON. Total na the lead sponsor, and Orange na the the support associate sponsor. to the AFCON. And this arrangement don't do for a long time. And because we na key sponsor to the Africa Cup of Nations as a global brand, we not get for left behind. Orange Sierra Leone na a participant and also na a sponsor to this Africa Cup of Nations. So in all the countries, there are certain activities wey dem can say activation where you dey bring the sponsorship to life na the country wey you get for do. And this not only as long as Orange associated with football, with the Africa Cup of Nations, anytime Sierra Leone dey go Nations Cup, or even Sierra Leone no go Nations Cup, the year wey Sierra Leone no go Nations Cup, una see a lot of other things we dey show game na the public, or we dey go pay na cinema, people dem go watch the Nations Cup free. Sierra Leone no dey there, but we need for bring the activity of football close to the people. So then sponsorship here get for be we go for every time wey Sierra Leone dey go or wey Nations Cup dey play, something different go come up.
All right, so before you go now, waiting I'd imagine say more other supplementary offers might be also una dey prepare, even about traveling, tournaments, and etc.
Yes, we all know say then period between October, November, December na a period of sponsorship, events, activation, animation. So we dey in a tight period, where they work on all of them things there. It take you time. They see sometimes and they follow we even go near with phone a problem. You got to put your mind in what they do. So between now to the period of the Nations Cup, a lot is coming to the customers. A lot. Massive, big things. Keep close. Just stay close to Orange and stay tuned. Una not say anytime una see something on social media, it is not fun. It is big. For example, overseas money. The first way we launch overseas money, somebody really coming from America. I say, are you guys sure? I say, yes, it happened. Go to the Western Union and tell the person, say, I want to send this money to Mohamed Kaloni number. The money they can't number. Lajo, for example, he loan money. These are all something the way it really the top. Person the trust up to 500,000. Get nothing on phone. It is somewhere, lights don't go, it want to pop a meter. It costs 500,000. The student pack, for example, where don't energize the student base, don't give them life, where they make money and they copy all over the place. This is something we really for hold close to your heart. So we always innovative. We always bring things there, and the sponsorship the way they unveil in the next few weeks, it also get to be very close to the hearts of the people.
Many thanks to you for talking to us this morning, Mohamed Kalon, the head of branding and sponsorship at Orange. Of course, for giving you a rundown of all of the amazing offers there. So I imagine your line will be very busy in the coming weeks. And this is the Epic Morning Show.